We're going to work on the tulip blocks today to show you how to do this particular difficult juncture with the stems. First thing you're going to do is apply this stem, just a straight one. I've already sewn that down. And then you're going to work on this. I'm going to use my glue stick, which I really like, and then take the stem, the pre-made bias tape stem, and apply it the best you can between your markings on down to this juncture right here, this tip. It's a sharp turn and it's a little bit tricky. After it was glued down, then I went ahead and stitched down this inner curve, always the inner curve first, and then the outer curve. So I've stitched all the way to that point, and now I'm going to fold this. So we're going to be bringing this up to where it's going to lie and making a fold right there at the point. Okay, so I'll just take it that far. You'll finish off by stitching down along this edge, the small edge here, and then along the inside curve and the outside curve. You're done.